Good morning students. Today we will do an activity. Circle the correct one. इसमें आपको जो करेक्ट लेटर है उस पर सर्कल करना है. First of all, you all just tell me what is this? Which figure is this? This is an apple. What is this? This is an apple. A for apple. Yes. So you know that this is A for apple and a lot of A are written in this figure. Okay. So you have to circle A. Only A alphabet. Okay. Now tell me which alphabet is this? B for boy. And what is this? A for apple. And this figure is A for apple. So you will not circle B for boy. You will circle only A for apple. Okay. Now which letter is this? D. So you will not circle D because this is A for apple. Which alphabet is this? C. So you will circle C? No, you will not circle C. Which alphabet is this? E. So will you circle E? No. Which alphabet is this? G. Will you circle G? Is this G for grapes? No. So you will not circle G for grapes. Which alphabet is this? F. So you will not circle F for fish because this is not a figure of a fish. And what alphabet is this? A. Yes, we will circle alphabet A because this figure belongs to A for apple. क्योंकि ये फिगर A for apple की है इसलिए हम A को ही सर्कल करेंगे. Now which alphabet is this? Again this is A. A for apple. So you will circle A for apple. Very good. And which alphabet is this? C. Will you circle it? No. Which alphabet is this? D. Will you circle? No. Which alphabet is this? E for elephant. So will you circle E for elephant? No, we will not circle E for elephant. This, what is this? H. Will you circle H? No, we will not circle H. Which alphabet is this? I. Is this an ice cream? No, this is not an ice cream. So we will not circle I. Which alphabet is this? J for jug. Is this a jug? No, so we will not circle J. And which alphabet is this? A. Yes, we will circle alphabet A because this is the figure of A for apple. Now, which figure is this? Again, this is a big A. So, we will circle A. And which alphabet is this? L. Is this L for lion? No, this is not a lion. So, we will not circle alphabet L. So, my dear students, hope you all will enjoy the activity and do it in your notebook. Okay, bye-bye.